Challenge Award 2018 at the IWF exhibition in Atlanta. The Felder Group appreciates that our latest and innovative machine, the Creator 950, has been recognized. All the hard work for the last couple of years paid off, and there's a high degree of motivation for the whole Felder Group team worldwide who brought a risky but simple idea at this stage. A special thanks goes to our product teams and all people who were involved into the project from the very first beginning. This award is for you.
So it's a very exciting time for us here at Felder Group USA and also for the whole Felder world. Unexpectedly and very surprisingly, we won the Challenger Award this year at the IWF show, and it really is a very special thing for us. We wanted to thank everybody at the factory, the R&D teams, the product management teams for all the work and the effort they've put in. We also want to thank all the Felder Group USA staff for the preparation of the show and all the work and effort that's gone into making it a very successful show. We're very, very proud of the award, and we just wanted to thank everybody so much.